Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to this charming town in Quebec called Berthier-sur-Mer, nestled along the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in the Chaudière-Appalaches region. This town offers a blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant community life. Berthier-sur-Mer was established in 1672, making it one of the older settlements in Quebec. The town's name comes from Alexander Berthier, a captain in the Carignan-Salieres regiment, who was granted the seigneury of Berthier-en-Bas. Over time, the name evolved to Berthier-sur-Mer to distinguish it from another town named Berthier-en-Haut, now known as Berthierville. Today, Berthier-sur-Mer is home to approximately 1,800 residents. Despite its modest size, the town boasts significant contributions to tourism and maritime activities. Notably, it serves as a departure point for cruises to Gros Isle and the Île-aux archipelago. For those interested in culture and nature, Berthier-sur-Mer offers several attractions. The Notre Dame de l'Assomption Church, built in 1859, showcases neoclassical architecture and houses a cassavant organ from 1929. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the local beach, popular among windsurfing and kitesurfing aficionados, or visit the marina, which accommodates up to 80 boats. Berthier-sur-Mer's location along the St. Lawrence River provides stunning views and opportunities for activities like boating and hiking in nearby areas. The town's blend of historical significance, maritime connections, and natural beauty make it a unique and inviting place to visit or call home. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Berthier-sur-Mer, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!